for attention, shine a light through a prism full spectrum.
I'm running late to my nail appointment and I really need to hurry. Oh my god. All the way to Shibuya. Got my nails done today. This is my left hand. I have these navy flowers on top of this light icy blue. It's kind of summerish. And then here's my right hand. My right hand is pink themed. The thumb part is the same as the blue one. It's like a little flowery type of design. So it's pink and blue for this season. So pretty.スタラン・マッカートニーのコラボいいよ。Hi, today is a Sunday. It's a little bit cloudy and chilly, but I'm doing great. I thought I'd show you guys what I got from the Damien Hirst exhibition, which I went to like a week ago, I guess. Yeah, I bought a couple things from their museum shop. Okay, first of all, I pick out one of my favorite paintings there, and I ended up getting this postcard and also this one as well. I love the color combination of pink and blue, and it had just the right amount of pink in it. I mean, I like the shade of the pink. And I also got this pamphlet I can look back on this and enjoy. Yeah. Oh, and last but not least, I got this t-shirt. So pretty. I'm so excited to wear it. This is supposed to be size, oh, it's a size medium, no wonder. A bit long, I think. So I'll have to tuck it in. And in the back is like a huge logo that says Damien Hirst in Japanese, and it says Sakura in the background in pink. Probably my favorite purchase that I made. So that's about it for today. Take pictures and go look for some locations to shoot. I have this set on that I got gifted from a brand called Happy John. Frappuccino, matching my bag and my top.